Shenzhen, Elanda Tech Company Limited was located in Bao'an District, which is near the airport. Elanda focuses on industrial-level research and development, production and sales for industrial-level POS system, kiosk and thermal printer in the field of retail and hospitality. There is about 6,000 square meters of company area, and the factory is about 5,000 square meters. Elanda is with satisfied quality and professional production line, and all comply with CE and ISO 9001 standards. The monthly production capacity is about 8,000 pieces POS system. Elanda win our reputation in satisfied quality and service, with outstanding manufacturing ability, reliable testing procedures, and adequate production capacity. Elanda could always guarantee perfect products and timely delivery to our customers. Elanda is supported by a well-management system and an advantageous international supply chain. Most of the component is supplied by the top 3 companies in the POS system field to guarantee the quality in the source. After aging test procedure, every POS terminal will be 100% tested before shipment. Elanda always controls the annual product defective rate below 0.2%. Elanda has an experienced R&D team who can always provide satisfied customized service to our users, such as kiosk designed for different applications. Elanda warmly welcome OEM and ODM orders from different countries to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.